In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the new Metis Memecoins on the screen. And show you subscribe and turn on bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to switch to the Metis tab, right? So I'm going to show you how to find the newly launched Metis Memecoins here on the screen. Now, once you have switched to the Metis tab, right? You're going to wait for very few seconds, right? So to be able to see the newly launched meme coins on the screen now, that is under the Metis blockchain. So you can see, to see the newly launched one, you're going to click on this new page, right? Once you click on the new page, wait for it to load up, give it few seconds. So you can see for the past 24 hours, nothing to see here, right? So you need to click on the newest from the new page. You're going to see the tokens that has been launched. So over the past 24 hours, there hasn't been any token that has been launched here on the Metis chain on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please share thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.